Welcome to another recording. Today, this is again linear inequalities in two variables, and I'm solving medium difficulty questions, hard difficulty questions for you. It says if the system of inequalities y is less than ax minus 3 and y plus 3 is greater than bx, and 1, 0 is the solution to the system, then which of the following is true? Okay, let me just write that down. It's a long question. Okay, so y is less than ax minus 3 but greater than bx minus 3. Okay, and 1, 0 is a solution. So 1, 0 is a solution. 0, 1 minus 3. So a is greater than 3 and b is less than 3. Okay, so a is greater than 3 and b is less than 3. So equation number 1 becomes true. A plus b equals to minus 1. Not necessarily, they could be any numbers. A is definitely greater than b. Yeah, so 1 and 3. Okay, Alex is cooking two types of meals for at least 28 members. The estimated cost of each vegetarian meal is $8 and the cost of each non-vegetarian meal is $12. Okay, if the budget for the meals Alex decides it's not more than 120, then write the simplest form. So I want both meals to be at least 28 and 8x plus 12y should be less than or equals to 120. Okay, I'll have to reduce this. I'll have to take a common and see if that works out. So 2x plus 3y should be less than or equals to 30. Okay, what is the simplest form of the equation this? Okay, so that's 2x plus 5y over 3 and over 2 is less than 6. Then I take a common denominator 6 and say 6x plus 10y, 4x plus 15y is less than 6. So 4x plus 15y should be less than or equals less than 36. Okay, that's one inequality that I found. Is there a similar answer option? If not, then that should be the correct one without even solving the other one. Okay, determine whether 0, 4 is a solution. So I'm going to plug that in and think about if 4 is less than 8. Yes, 4 is less than 8. Yes. Which of the following ordered pair is not a solution to the inequality? Okay, so 6 plus 25 is 31 over 10. Okay, I don't need to do all of this. I can just plug in the answer options and see, and that's the easy way of doing this. Why don't I first plug in answers into x plus half y is less than 1 to see which one fits. So x, so that one fits. Let's see if it fits into the other one as well. Half of minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5 over 2 is less than 3 over 5. Let's see. So minus 0.5 minus 4 minus 2.5. Yeah, all of that is negative. So that one fits. And since the answer is all the ordered pairs, I'll have to check all of them. Okay. So let's check 2 and 0. That's easy to check. So 2 plus 0 is less than 1. No, that's not less than 1. So there should be only one answer option, and that's this one. Which of the following is not a solution? Oh, okay, not a solution. I did not read that carefully. That's the correct answer then. More hard questions. Let's do this. This is a long question and we'll have to read through this. It says a toy manufacturing company produces two types of dolls, type A and type B. The production of process of types of dolls requires 2 hours of cutting and 3 hours of stitching for 3 hours of stitching. For type B dolls, 4 hours of cutting and 1 hour of stitching. The company has a total of 40 hours cutting time, so 2C plus 4C should be equals to 40, and 30 hours of should be less than or equals to 40, and cutting hours stitching time should be 3S plus S should be less than or equals to 30. Okay. Additionally, the company estimates that they can sell types A dolls at 20 profit and type B dolls at a profit of slide X represent the number of type A dolls and type B dolls based on the company's constraints and the objective to maximize profit. Which system inequalities represents the situation? Okay. So I want 20. Okay, so X should be greater than or equals to 0 and Y should be greater than or equals to 0. Is there, the company has a total of 40 hours of stitching time. So it's 2X in terms of stitching and 4 4X in 4Y in terms of cutting hours. So 2X plus 4Y should be less than or equals to 40 and 3X plus Y. Okay, so I think that should be the correct answer. I've taken the wrong variables, therefore you see as the different situations there. Okay, so I think that should be the correct answer. Yes, that is correct. Let's see what the other inequality is. It says now I need to find out what 5x plus 15y. Okay, minus 3 over 5. Now whenever you remove a modulus, you end up with two situations. So 5x plus 15y, 15 plus 3 over 5, 78 over 5, and divide by 5 because I'm taking something common from here. So it's going to become x plus 3y is less than or equals to 78 over 25. Okay, what is the maximum value of the inequality? So I think that should be the maximum value of the inequality, and that is the correct. Okay, question number 3 says a car rental company offers two types of vehicles for rent, economy cars and luxury cars. The company has a maximum of 50 cars available for rent, and the total rent cost should not exceed $1,000 per day. The rental rates are as follows: economy cars are $30 per day, and cars rent for $50 a day. Find the range of possible values of x and y. Now I'm assuming that x is the economy cars because the question doesn't specify so, and y is the luxury cars. Okay, so the limit is that x plus y should be less than or equals to 50, and 30x plus 50y is less than or equals to 1000. Now I see that what has simply happened is that y has been expressed in terms of x in the first two inequalities. So one expression for y would be 50 minus x. What is the other expression for y? Let's try to calculate that, and let's see if we get the correct answer out of that. I get y is less than or equals to 1000 minus 30x divided by 50. So I can cancel out the zeros. Gives me 100 minus 3x divided by 5. Which is like answer option C. Yes, it should be greater than 0. Let's check if that is the correct answer. I am just, sort of doing the bare minimum working and coming up with an answer. Okay, determine the following ordered pairs as a solution to the inequalities. X is greater than 2y plus 5 and y is less than 3x plus 7. So I'm just going to plug in and check. So 0, 2 times 2 plus 5 is 0 greater than 9. No, that's not true. So 1 could not be the correct answer. Let's try 2 is the correct answer. So 1 and 1. Again, that also could not be the correct answer. So neither 1 nor 2. None of these are satisfying the inequality. Okay. Then I have this third one. It says if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then determine the interval which best describes the relationship. So I see x in the center. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to make x the subject in both of these inequalities. I'm going to separate them and say that this becomes x minus y over 2, 12 over 7 minus 1 plus 2. Let's take a common denominator here. And this gives me 12 over 7 plus 1, which is 19 over 7. And then if I cross multiply, that gives me 38 over 7. Is that an answer that's emerging? I don't see that for now. Anything divided by 7. I see 19 divided by 7, in fact. 38 over 7 plus y. So x is greater than or equals to 2x. Okay, so x is greater than or equals to 38 over 14 plus y over 2. That seems like 38 over 14 will give me 19 over 7 plus y over 2. Is that an answer option? Yes, it's both A and D. So I'll have to calculate the other side as well. No, it's only A because D has the inverted sign. So I think that should be the correct answer. Yes, that works. Let's see. There are some more, I think. These should be repeats of what we've done earlier. Uh, I think these are the ones that were there earlier. So 1 and 3. And we had taken 2 common and it said, okay, I'm just trying to recall what we'd done earlier. Nothing unusual about all of these. So 2x, so 4x plus 15y over 6, 6. That should be the correct answer. Okay, I think that should work, and we are done with this topic. I will see you with the next topic in the next session. Thank you for watching.